Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You open Serum and immediately load the init preset so you start clean. First, select Oscillator and choose a waveable that matches your goal. You want a simple harmonic foundation. Next, set unison to between 1 and 4 voices and detune slightly. This adds width without mud. Turn Oscillator B off for now to keep focus. Once done, route Osca to Filter 1 if you plan to shape the tone before adding modulation or effects. You now shape the character by assigning envelopes and LFOs. Use envelope 1 as your amp envelope and envelope 2 to control brightness or waveable position. Set short attack and moderate decay for punch. Then draw an LFO shape and assign it to waveable position or filter cutoff through the matrix so movement feels intentional. Next, enable Filter 1, pick a low-pass type, set cutoff and resonance, and add drive to taste. Make sure modulation amount. You finish by building the FX chain and adjusting global settings to taste. Insert distortion and EQ early, then add modulation FX like chorus, delay, and reverb. Remember, order changes timbre. In global, set voicing, portamento, and enable high-quality mode if needed. For final polish, balance FX wet/dry and check levels. If things go wrong, try this one tip. If the patch sounds thin, add subtle harmonic distortion or increase unison. If it's muddy, cut 200 to 500 Hz and reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.